Hey guys, I am so excited to show you my February bullet journal setup. This one has a little backstory, so let me start at the beginning. I had this urge to try painting on a canvas for a few months already, and one lovely Saturday morning I was like, girl, just do it, what's there to lose? I recently bought this Royal Talents acrylic paint set. Their products are great for beginners and I did not want to spend much money on something I might not even enjoy. So I've got this, and there was absolutely no problem with obtaining canvas to paint on because I somehow keep buying them. I never use them, but I have at least 10 hiding under my desk. Do you guys happen to do this too? So I chose this 20 by 20 centimeters pre-primed eco canvas, found my table easel, conquered my fears and started painting. And guys, it was nerve-wracking at first, but I was having more and more fun as the painting session went on. This is a study of one of Monet's Water-lilies paintings. I did not want that added pressure of figuring out what to paint, the composition, color palette, lighting and all that jazz. And the impressionistic piece gives so much wiggle room. You don't need to be precise, and doing a study of an existing piece means everything is already figured out by the original author. And guys, I was so happy with how this painting turned out. So happy even, I immediately decided this will be my next bullet journal theme. I was thinking about doing famous artists themed bullet journaling kits for a while, and this was it. The beginning of my very first themed journaling kit. I scanned the painting and made a cover page out of it, adding the cream border and text. And I love how you can still see the canvas texture. Cover page done, I needed to decide what next. Logic step would be figure out what elements I want to have in my journaling kit and draw them, preferably digitally, so it's easier to create the whole thing. But I don't do digital. Better said, I've never had the courage to paint digitally, even though I have had the pen tablet for a few years already. I decided to paint little sticker designs in acrylic and then scan and edit them. What a loss of time and nerves that was. I ended up repainting everything digitally anyway, except for a few stickers. So I guess it's time to learn digital this year. I had few stickers done, but I felt I needed to do something more, and I decided to do a few more Monet studies, this time digitally. I'm conquering all my art fears in a very short time period, it seems. So I did this in Krita and I found this amazing brush and I used only that one for all of these mini studies. And guys, look at them, they are so cute. I did not capture the Monet feeling 100%, but it's all about the joy of creating and studying what you love. And after lots of thinking about what I want my journal to look like, I designed these pages. And I love them to bits. It is a combination of both my acrylic paintings and also digital studies. I did my best to keep the color palette cohesive, but I went a bit rogue by the end. But it still looks amazing. Anyway, it was finally time to work on my February theme. I printed and cut everything out and just went with the flow. I pre-designed the layout, but had no idea how I'd use the journaling kit itself. The cover page was a no-brainer because I had this framed print prepared. On the next page I went with circle stickers made from the same painting to make it look cohesive. I felt like the page was too empty, so I added the screen paper for my mini calendar with small bits of washi. Next spread is for bigger calendar, focus section and monthly to-do list. I decorated the pages with washi and stickers to add more color, and I will be using same washes for the page tabs. It's time to add the weekly spreads. Last month my weeks were starting with Sunday, which I was not used to, and it was confusing at times. So this time I have my week starting on Monday, which means the first weekly spread has to start with Wednesday because February starts on Wednesday. I hope I make sense. So that means I should have kept the first half of page empty, which I did not, and I realized my mistake only after stamping dates to 2 other pages. But there is nothing what a whiteout can't solve. That meant I had to do an impromptu half-page scrapbooky thing to cover the mistake, and I am not a big fan of it, but it is what it is. I had lots of fun creating all the weeklies, and I have to be honest, I was proud about how I created this kit. It seems like mumbo jumbo of colors at first, but it was so easy to make color themed weekly spreads. On the last weekly page there was again half page left blank. First I added the same washes at the bottom of the spread as previously to kind of close the theme, and then I added the pocket. I will keep the unused bits of journaling kit in there and decorate blank spaces as the month goes on. Last page is for the habit and mood trackers. I did not have mood trackers in my bullet journal for quite some time, so let's spice it up for February. And this is it, guys. This is my February bullet journal. I had lots of fun with this theme and I can't wait to start using it. It was a lot of work to create all of these bits and pieces, but it was so rewarding and enjoyable using it. If you'd like to try my Monet Journaling Kit in your own bullet journal, there will be a link in the description. You can print it on any paper, but I would recommend using photo paper if you have the option because the colors get much more vibrant, as I recently discovered myself. And don't forget to tag me on social media if you happen to use it. I would really love to see what you create. If you like this video, please comment, like and subscribe if you don't want to miss what I create next time. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have an awesome day. See you next time. Bye.